In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to your Hostinger website, a handy tutorial for 2025 and beyond. Let's dive in and simplify the process so you can get your website exactly how you want it. To start, open your web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the core control panel for your Hostinger account, where you'll manage various aspects of your website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need your credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard filled with all the necessary tools and features. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side and click on Websites. This action will bring up a list of all the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. It's essential to take a moment here to ensure you're selecting the correct website if you're managing multiple sites. Once you've located the correct site, proceed to click on Edit Website. This will open up the Website Builder interface, which allows you to customize the look and feel of your site. On the left side of the website builder, you'll find various elements you can use to modify your site. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options as they offer significant flexibility when designing your website. For adding custom code, you'll need to find and select the embed code element. Once you've selected embed code, click and drag it to the exact position on your web page where you want the code to appear. Think carefully about this step, as the placement can affect the overall layout and user experience. After positioning the embed code element, it's now time to enter your custom code. Click on Enter Code. A straightforward interface will pop up specifically for this task. This section is where you'll be inputting your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code snippets. You may already have a code ready to paste, or you might be penning something brand new. Whichever the case, ensure the code is clean and free of errors to avoid impacting your website's performance or functionality. Once you have input and reviewed your code, ensure everything looks right and you're satisfied with its placement and functionality. The final step is to click on Embed Code. This action will integrate the code into your web page, bringing your planned changes to life. And there you have it. Adding code to your Hostinger website is a simple and efficient way to enhance functionality or display custom features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.